What are the best affiliate program for beginners? Okay, so learning how to do affiliate marketing can be essential to your success as an online partners. But even if you have got your website, ads or social media platform set up perfectly, you still need a company to partner with that hire affiliate program beat get to graph in the post will tell you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing program. You will learn why they are needed and learn more about some of the best paying affiliate program available to your newcomer. But first you need to know what they are and how they work. Don't worry for someone else to do it. Hear yourself and start calling the shot. What are affiliate program? In concept affiliate program, which are also called affiliate network, are pretty simple. All they do it is provide a third party platform that always merchant and affiliate to find and work with each other. But behind the secret trace affiliate network are complex behemoth that do much more than help merchants and affiliate network. They also provide some very useful service to both parties. Do your affiliate program work? So thank you.